Michelle Urofsky here, and today we're going to be walking through adding alerts to our alerting mechanism, Pulse, and sharing dashboards. So right now you see our processes dashboard, and right in this first row, we have some really important metrics you might want to keep an eye on, specifically success rate. Now, success percentage is really important because it lets you have a holistic view of how your deployment is doing. A success percentage that's very low is a clear indication that something is going wrong. Whereas a success percentage that is too high, so nearing 100%, actually means that processes are probably erroring out and they're being handled as successful. This is because just like humans, robots are not immune to things like applications being down for maintenance or network outages. So success rate is definitely something that's worth adding to Pulse. To add an indicator widget like success rate to Pulse, just go to this menu, select Add to Pulse, and now you can pick from our 3 alerting conditions. Success percentage is perfect for a threshold alert because this is where we can set a set of values that we'd like it to either be between or greater than, smaller to, etc. Now, in my case, I'd like to know when my success percentage is less than or equal to 80%. So I'll go to Advanced. Now I can see if there are any active filters on my dashboard. So this is the perfect way to set filters for specific processes that you'd like to keep an eye on for success percent. You can still change the alert condition. Come and select who this alert goes to. So alerts can be shared with any user of Insights that is a member of your orchestrator tenant. So please just keep this in mind. Lastly, you can select how they're alerted. Type them a default message and pick the way that they receive the alert. So out of the box, we offer email alerts, Slack alerts, and Zapier, but you can also add a webhook for any internal applications you're using. Once you've added that alert, you'll be able to see it in the Pulse tab. Here's my success percentage. I can view the latest value as well as any historical values. And then you can also turn this alert on or off, delete it, or turn off notifications. Now, the other 2 types of alerts that we should go over are our automatic and always alerts. Automatic is our anomaly detection model. Right off the bat, when you turn this on, this will notify you when your value is outside of 2 standard deviations of the normal range. Since this is backed by a machine learning algorithm, the longer you keep this alert on, the more it'll learn and understand what is actually anomalous for your data, adjusting those boundaries for you. Lastly, we have always alerting. Always alerting is excellent for when you constantly need to keep an eye on a value, even if it has not changed. So the way alerts work is that every time our backend updates, which is about every 15 minutes, your alert condition will be calculated. Now, always alerts will send out an email, a Slack, whatever method you choose, again, even if that value has not changed, every time the backend updates. So that's an alert about every 15 minutes. So use sparingly, but sometimes these are great if you don't want to have to constantly come in and check a dashboard. Now, if I wanted to share this dashboard with someone else, because I do want them to see that success percentage as well, all I need to do is duplicate this dashboard. Now I'm the owner of this dashboard, and I can reshare with anyone I want when I see the share button. So much like alerting, I can only share my dashboards with users of my specific orchestrator tenant that have Insights access. So I would find them here, and then you would select how you'd like them to receive the email report. So whether it's an embedded report inside of the email, which would be this first option, or as a PDF attachment. Now you can customize that PDF right here, change the orientation, the paper size, change how much detail the header has, and then save those changes. Just select PDF if you'd like to go that route. And then you can schedule the frequency with which your dashboard is shared. So by default, it's set to be sent out every time that backend cube updates. So again, this is every 15 minutes you'll be receiving a report, which is why you can limit it to a certain number of emails per day. Alternatively, you can always just set the frequency to be sent out, whether it's every day or a specific day of the week at a certain time for a certain time zone. And that's how you can set alerts and share directly from inside of Insights. Thanks for watching.